Hey, let me show you how you can use Quick Launch on the OnePlus Nord CE5. So as you can see in my case, when I'm gonna hold my finger on the sensor a little bit longer, then I can quickly pick some applications. So how we can do this, just simply go for the settings. Now scroll down into security and the privacy. And over here, you will have to go for device unlock. Right now, just go for the fingerprint and the face unlock, select fingerprint, input your current screen lock, and now just go for quick launch option. Now we have to just click on it over here, and you can click here on this icon so we can add some functions, like for example, let's check if we can quickly turn on or off the flashlight, if this feature is available over here. No, it's not. But for example, we can quickly open shorts on the YouTube. Or for example, we can quickly open voice search from Google. So now click done. And now when you lock your screen just like this and click and hold your finger on it, there we go. You can just pick some applications. So how it actually works, you have to just click and hold it, wait. Let's do this one more time. Quick and hold, and now just move your finger into the application that you want to open, and just like this, as you can see, it's working.